Yeah, you know what it is.
Fetch! Fetch, Grazer!
And I'll bring it back then. Oh.
Oh. What a good boy. Alright. Grazer. Fetch! What a good boy! What a good boy! Go fetch! Come on, Grazer! Aw. Good boy. Where did he drop it? Grazer! Go fetch! That wasn't very far. Bring it back! I like how he just drops it. Jump. Come on. Come on, Grazer.
He knows how to pick it up too.
You can take them off in the car. I got your shoes packed.
Grazer, bring it back.
More snow than what we got here, I don't know.
He's done.